Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Ang Walang Gutom 2027 Philippine Digital Food Stamp Program na isa sa bago at prioridad na programa ng Administrasyong Marcos na naglalayong wakasan ang gutom at tugunan ang problema ng malnutrisyon sa ating bayan.
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Ang lahat. Nating salubungin na masigabong palakpakan ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Maaari na po tayong umupo. Isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat na naririto sa Don Bosco Youth Center. Welcome po sa kick-off ceremony ng Walang Gutom 2027 Philippine Food Stamp Program. Sa puntong ito, inaanyayahan po namin si DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian upang maghatid ng kanyang pambungad na mensahe.
Your Excellency, mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., mahal na Pangulong Pangulo Sara Duterte Carpio, ating mga panauhing pangdangal, Asian Development Bank Country Director Pavit Ramchandraran, at World Food Program Country Director Brenda Barton. Ating mga partners, partner agencies, lokal na pamahalaan ng Maynila sa pangunguna ni Mayor Hani Lacuna, development partners, mga kasamahan sa DSWD at membro ng media. At higit sa lahat sa ating mga benepisyaryo na kasama natin ngayong hapon dito sa Tondo, lungsod ng Maynila. Isang magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Atin pong buong karangalan na ilulunsad ngayong araw ang Walang Gutom 2027 Philippine Digital Food Stamp Program na isa sa bago at prioridad na programa ng Administrasyong Marcos na naglalayong wakasan ang gutom at tugunan ang problema ng malnutrisyon sa ating bayan na isa sa mga programa ng ating Pangulo. Ito po ang ating gagawin sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng meal augmentation na nagkakahalaga ng 3,000 bawat buwan sa 1,000,000 food poor na mga pamilya at mga buntis at bagong panganak na kababaihan. Sa Walang Gutom program, hindi lang natin sisiguraduhin na walang Pilipino ang matutulog ng walang laman ng sikmura, atin din pong sisiguraduhin na masustansya ang kanilang kinakain upang sila'y magkaroon ng sapat na lakas at maging bahagi ng ating labor economy. Ngunit hindi lang dito nakasalalay ang programang ito dahil napakahalaga po ng ating kolaborasyon at pakipagtulungan sa iba't ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan. Kasama ang Department of Agriculture, DOLE, TESDA, PSA, DOST, FNRI, DOH, DTI na magbibigay din ng kanilang programa para sa ating benepisyaryo. Tulad ng bili ng ating mahal na Pangulo, kailangan po nating magsama-sama at magtulong-tulong upang mabilis na maiahon maihahon sa food poverty ang ating mga benepisyaryo. Maliban dito sa Tondo, ang inyong DSW po ay nagsimula na ring maghanda para sa pagpaparating ng implementasyon ng programa sa iba't ibang pilot areas, particular sa Region 2, Region 5, Caraga at BARM. Nais po nating pasalamatan ang ating partners, World Food Program at Asian Development Bank para sa pagsasakutuparan ng pilot implementation ng programang ito. Nais ko ring personal na pasalamatan ang ating masisipag na membro ng Technical Working Group sa pangunguna ng ating Undersecretary Edu Punay para sa inyong dedikasyon mula sa pagsasaayos ng program design hanggang sa isa-isang paghahanap ng mga benepisyaryo. Ngunit tayo ay nagsisimula pa lamang at marami pa tayong kailangang gawin upang maihatid ang ating misyon bilang Angels in Red Vest. Bilang pangwakas, makakaasa po kayo na ating tututukan ang ating bagong programa at sisiguraduhin ang tagumpay nito para sa ikauunlad ng ating mahihirap na kababayan at sa pag-abot natin sa isang bagong Pilipinas na walang gutom. Maraming salamat, magandang hapon ho sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat po, Secretary Rex Gatchalian. At ngayon, inaanyayahan po natin si Vice Presidente Sara Z. Duterte upang ipakilala ang ating panauhing pandangal.
May I request everyone to please stand? Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Maraming salamat sa ating butihing Vice President at Department of Education Secretary and Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Oh, please take your seats. The excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps who are here joining us for this extremely important day that we are commemorating here today. Of course, the lead agency for the food stamp program, the DSWD, and the head of the DSWD, Secretary Rex Gatchalian, the ADB Philippines Country Director, Pavit Ramachandran, without whom we would not have been able to come to this day to make this a reality. And of course, we cannot forget also the assistance that has been given us by the World Food Program and the Philippines Country Director, Brenda Barton. Manila City Mayor, Mayor Maria Sheila Lacuna Pangan. Ang ating mga benepisyaryo and the Secretary Benny Laguesma of the DOLE, and all of those, lahat ng ating mga membro ng DSWD, ng DOLE, ng lahat ng mga agencies na nakasama rito upang tulungan na mating matugunan ang mga gutom na Pilipino upang makamtan natin ang ating pangarap na sana wala nang gutom na Pilipino pagkatapos nitong termino na ito. Kaya't magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Masaya akong makasama kayo sa ating paglunsad ng food stamp program ng DSWD. Batid po ng natin lahat ng I will speak in English as we have members of the Diplomatic Corps. It is, of course, always the dream of any government, of any leader, that we are able to do something about hunger around our countries. Because that is the most important and the most insidious influence of our people that gets in the way of the development of each individual and thus the entire society. We have always tried to rise up from the throes of poverty, but the problem of hunger and malnutrition still remains. And that's why it has become a priority of this government that we will fight all the poverty. We will put in all the programs so that one day we can say that we are able to give our people, at the very least, the food that they need to survive, the nutrition that they need to survive. We used to use the two terms interchangeably in terms of food supply and nutrition. And by our thinking now these days is that is not necessarily the case. And it is not enough that we just provide all kinds of food, but also that it is of a nutritional value that will allow especially our children and our nursing mothers to become a center of healthful life for their children, for their families, and for their communities. And so we have set up this program. And this program, I'm actually, when the Secretary Rex first came to me and said that with his talks with the foreign funding institutions such as ADB and the World Food Program, and of course our partners in different countries, in the persons of the diplomatic corps that are here, I immediately expressed I cannot understand why this is the first time that we have talked about a food stamp program, because it seems to be, especially after the pandemic, it seems to be a particularly important initiative, as we have seen the difficulties that we have had in terms of pricing of agricultural commodities, in terms of the supply of agricultural commodities, and not only commodities but food, so as to be able to provide the kind of nutrition that will make our children, that will make our people healthy and productive in their daily lives. So we have an electronic transfer card, and it is a system that we will use to program. It is not something that we are just starting now. Ipapakita at ituturo din po sa inyo ng mga kawani ng DSWD kung paano gagamitin to. They will show you. The DSWD will go around and will show you how to use this card and how to avail of the benefits that come through this card. So again, let us thank our partners in this very important program. Of course, the DSWD has been the lead agency. The ADB has been, it was actually a part of a discussion when I went to visit ADB, and it was proposed by the Asian Development Bank that we have a food stamp program. And of course, having listened to this rather good idea, Secretary Rex and I immediately jumped upon the opportunity and said, let's not let this lapse. Let's not let them forget that this is something that we would like to do. And that finds us here today. So this is the continuing part of all that we have tried to do, so as to be able to achieve yung tinatawag na walang gutom. And for those who are not speaking Tagalog, walang gutom means no more hunger. And that is the dream of this administration. That is what we are hoping to achieve in this administration, that by the end of 2028, we can say that we have done everything to reduce the hunger and poverty in our country, and to be able to be sure that we can provide a good, healthy, and productive life for our people. Thank you very much, and good afternoon.
Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa puntong ito, pangungunahan ng ating mahal na Pangulo ang pamamahagi ng mga Electronic Benefit Transfer o EBT card sa 10 kinatawan ng mga benepisyaryong pamilya sa ilalim ng Philippine Food Stamp Program dito sa Tondo, Manila. Iniimbitahan din po natin sina Vice Presidente Duterte at DSWD Secretary Gatchalian upang samahan ang ating mahal na Pangulo sa pamamahagi ng EBT cards. Tatanggapin ang EBT cards nina Josefino Feliciano, Desiree Peñaflor, Joselito Arellano, Esperanza Daquis, Alma Evora, Alma Evora, Julito Papa, Wilson Baisa, Maricris Novelas, Ailea Kathleen Zamora, at Rosalina Parajes. Congratulations po sa lahat ng ating mga benepisyaryo at maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa puntong ito, inaanyayahan po natin ang ating Pangulo para sa photo opportunity. Inaanyayahan po natin sa entablado ang mga miyembro ng DSWD Technical Working Group. Maghanda na po. Kindly prepare our partners for the batch 2. May we call on our program partners on stage. Thank you very much, DSWD Technical Working Group. Thank you to our program partners. Ngayon naman po ay naanyayahan natin ang mga benepisyaryo ng pamilyang benepisyaryo ng ating Philippine Food Stamp Program. Sa puntong ito, inihiling po natin sa ating mahal na Pangulo na magpaunlak ng isang group photo sa baba po ng entablado. Inaanyayahan po ang lahat ng ating mga bisita na tumayo at lumapit upang makiisa sa ating group photo.